Okay, afternoon everybody. We meet again. So I hope everybody is still, stay at home. And then today I have not planned to give a lecture. Okay, maybe I just want to explain about your. I promised yesterday. Okay, for QC tools. Okay, especially for benchmarking for QFD and as well for FMEA, I plan to give you some exercises. Okay, so therefore, in order to deliver these activities, okay, I make as a group assignment for you. Okay, because previously you already submit the individual assignment. That's number one. And number two, you already submit the self-reflection for the I think communication. Okay, that's number two. So number three, so today what you will do is that you will perform the group assignment. Okay, before I further proceed, okay, I want to share with you for yesterday class, okay, for benchmarking for QFD as well for FMEA. The video I already posted in the e-learning portal. Okay, as you can see on my screen. I hope you can see my screen. Okay, in front of your computer. Is it okay? Can you see my screen? Okay, thank you, Yiming. Okay, so that's the number one. For yesterday class, I already upload in your e-learning portal. That's number one. Okay, so number two, uh, today I just give you you know a briefing how you I mean what you should do for your group assignment. Okay, for the first one, okay, I want to share with you for the group assignment titles. Okay, you can click on, okay, as shown on my screen. You need to click the group assignment titles. Okay, and then the group assignment titles will be appear, okay, directly from your screen. Okay, okay. So now let me make this one bigger a bit. Okay, can you see my screen now? Video? Okay, this is really important. Okay, because this group assignment will contribute, I think, most of your marks for your assessment. Okay, course assessment. So what you should do for this group assignment? Okay, so this group assignment, before I explain about the instructions for this group assignment, here is the title and the group that I already delegates for each of you. Okay, for this group assignment, since you have 9 students, okay, so I divided into three groups. Okay, each group will carry different topics. Okay, related to my topic, especially for QC tools. Okay, I already not draft, actually I already write up the questions. Okay, and then you should follow and read this title carefully and what this title needs. Okay, and then you need to deliver the points. Okay, so for the first groups, we have Tan Kai Wen, Sharifah, and Yiming for the first group. Shafizal, Aminu, and Liu Jiao for the second group. And Chai, Zufeng, and Ting Ting in the third group. Okay, each group I give a different topic. Okay, for Kai Wen and the members, you will explore more on the SPC. Okay, what is the statistical process control chart means? Okay, what is the needed, and then what factors that influence the SPC activities. For the second group, Shafizan and the gang, Shafizal and again will more focus on the benchmarking. Okay, benchmarking. I think we already discussed before this. What is the benchmarking? Okay, we have internal, we have external benchmarking, and then in this internal and external benchmarking, what the factors include or package in the benchmarking. Okay, that's number two. Number three, Chai and the gang will explore on the FMEA, okay, failure mode effect analysis. Okay, the details of the the situation or the condition I already stated in the titles. Okay, so please open your e-learning portal letter, and then you need to discuss and then draft out, and then you need to submit accordingly. Okay, regarding the submission instructions, okay, here I summarize in brief, okay, what you should do for the submission. Okay, for the submission, what you should do is, okay, number one, please discuss with your group members about the given title for each group. Okay, discuss. Of course, when you do the group assignment, of course you need to. Okay, and then number two, when you discuss, you need to prepare the PowerPoint slides. Okay, for this group assignment, later you need to present online like this. Okay, so the schedule for the presentation I will decide during class hour. Okay, maybe later I will inform you when we do the presentation, but each of you, okay, will play a role during the group presentation, because this group presentation, your report and your and your answer will be assessed by me. Okay, so for PowerPoint presentation, the maximum slide that I allow you to do is 10. Okay, for me it's 10 too much. Okay, in order to just answer this, but I put the 10 if you want to put some data, if you want to put some figures, if you want to put some flowchart, it's okay. Okay, the maximum I allow is about 10 slides only. And then when you complete these slides, okay, you need to discuss as a group, and then you need to write a write-up. Okay, the write-up for 2 pages. Okay, that means that the 2 pages is the maximum, but don't write only half pages lah. Okay, so 1.5 page is still acceptable, but you need to write up based on your slide presentation. Okay, you need to convert it into the write-up. Okay, maximum 2 pages. Okay, and this write-up must be converted into the PDF format letter, because when you submit, you need to submit 2 files to me. Number one, you need to submit to me the PowerPoint slide presentation. That's number one. Number two is the PDF format for the write-up. Chai, summary. Actually, not summary, Chai. Summary something. Not summary. The write-up means that to answer, the question stated in the titles. Okay, because in the titles, maybe some of the sentences, okay, I asked about the questions that to solve the things. So for that particular equation, you need to do the write up, not summary. Something like when you read and then you summarize. No, this was something like you answer the questions. Okay, do you get my point? Yes, exactly, Chai. Both are same. Okay. Another format is the slide format. So meaning that because the slide format, maybe your slide is simple. Maybe you just show the the flow chart, the diagram. But in order to elaborate the answers, you need to do the write up. Yes, same. Actually, the answer is same. But one is that you prepare as a slides, and then later you need to write up as a maximum page. Okay, okay, Chai? Get the point? Okay. To answer Shafizar's questions, individual, no. Okay, submission as a group. Maybe only one of you uh, need to submit. I mean, each group only one. One slide, one write-up. Okay, not individual. Because I will consider as a group. Okay, meaning that do expect the answer, I mean, the answer or the write-up that you did, okay, not representing the individual works. Okay, I understand. Okay, maybe if you do your individual, so I know, okay, this answer actually based on the individual works. But for group assignment, I do assume that the answer might be much better, okay, than the individual works. Chai as one group, one write up, one slide. Exactly, Chai. One group, one write up, and one slide. Group only one write up, one slide. That's for each group only one student need to submit those documents. Okay, meaning that, okay, for example, Chai, Zufeng, and Ting Ting in one group. So maybe one of you, okay, will submit the write up as well the slides. Okay, because it's a group assignment, so we didn't, measure the individual performance. About the, yes, good question, Yiming. About the presentation, should all group members to do presentation or choose one of three? In this case, all members should do presentation. Okay, should do the presentation, not only one representative for each group. Okay, everybody must involve in the presentation. So I know, okay, you play your role in this part, okay, and another student play their role in this part. Okay, and then maybe during that session we have Q&A session. So therefore we understand, okay, who did this work and who not do this work. Okay, Tinting, no problem. It's okay. Okay, but for this kind of group assignment, okay, I allow you to do. So meanings that next week we don't have class. Okay, meanings that on Monday, Tuesday, and for Monday and Tuesday, I give you time to discuss among you to complete the group assignment. Okay, and then the deadline for submission next Friday. Okay, next week Friday, not this coming Friday. Okay, next week Friday. So meaning that I give you about how many days? Roughly about more than 10 days to complete the group presentation. Okay, maybe you feel that it's quite long, but actually believe me, okay, you need to prepare a good presentation. Okay, because I do expect this kind of a master level, not the undergraduate level. Okay, and then I allow you to because I know some of you maybe have difficulties because you also have another subject to cater or to to do the assignment and others. So therefore I give you time. Okay, so next week on Monday and Tuesday we don't have class. Okay, but another weeks, okay, I will arrange a schedule for the presentation. Okay, about the duration of the presentation, maybe it depends on the presentation, but I do hope that normally for 10 slides, okay, 10 slides of presentation, might be your presentation needs about 20 to 30 minutes, or maybe more than that. Okay, depends on the Q&A session that we conduct later. Okay, this is really important part, because to be honest, this kind of activities will contribute to, help you in order to increase your marks for your final exam. Because for my parts, okay, I don't have any tests or quiz. I just do the assignment. Okay, so in this case, please do the group assignment well, okay, in order for you to get high marks. Okay, don't do that for the sake of the marks, but please do that for the sake of your understanding and knowledge. Okay, so any question more? So meetings, the schedule of presentation, I will decide after you submit the documents to me. Okay, when I read the slide, so when I read your report, your write-up, and later I will decide which group we present first, and be ready for that particular groups. Everybody in that group need to contribute during the presentation. And then for the submission, you need to submit to me only 2 files. One PowerPoint, another file is write-up. The PowerPoint just deliver the main idea of your answers, but for the write-up you need to elaborate your answers in essay. Okay, the maximum 2 pages. Any question more from you? Okay. 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 Everybody, I think I want to ask for the submission. Okay, for the submission. Okay, let me show to you. For the submission, the link for the submission I already prepared in the e-learning portal. Okay, so below the assignment title, you need to click the submission. Okay, then you can see the deadline. 18 December on Friday next week, midnight. Okay, before midnight. So you have about 10 days to complete the task given to you. So any question more? If you don't have any question, can you write in the chat box? So meaning that I know that you okay with my instruction, and then I can wrap up our session for the class. Okay, because details of the information I already discussed in our class before. So please write something on the chat box, meaning that you are okay with my instruction, and then I can close our session for today. Yiming is okay, Chai is okay, Kaiwen is okay, Shafizan is okay, Aminu is okay. How about and Zufeng, are you okay? Okay, Yuja also okay. So I think that's all for today's session. Okay, I not intend to give you a kind of lecture, because I would say that my lecture already finished. Okay, my topic that I want to cover is already finished, but now I want to do some enrichment. Okay, so meaning that that's why I ask you to do the assignment in order to know, okay, your level of understanding regarding the title given to you. Okay, Okay, good. Okay, good. So if not, thank you very much for your time. So please submit on time, and then I will update the schedule of presentation once I receive your submission next Friday. Okay. Thank you very much again. Uh, Please stay safe, and then yeah, I meet you again on I think 18, 18, 19, maybe 21 December. Okay, everybody, thank you very much. See you again. If anything, please post your question in the groups. Okay, thank you very much. See you then. Bye.